Answer question. Answer question apparent, obscure, argue, agree, arrive, depart, arrogant, humble, ascend, descend, attack, defend, attract, repel, awake, asleep, awkward, graceful, back, front, bad, good, beautiful, ugly, before, after, bent, straight, better, worse, big, little, birth, death, bitter, sweet, black, white, blunt, sharp, body, soul, bold, timid, bottom, top, brave, cowardly, break, repair, brief, long, bright, dull, bring, remove, boy, girl, busy, idle, buy, sell, capture, release, cause, effect, cautions, careless, center, edge, change, remain, cheese, expensive, child, adult, chilly, warm, clean, dirty, close, open, cold, hot, command, obey, complex, simple, complement, insult, constant, variable, continue, interrupt, cool, warm, copy, original, countryman, foreigner, crazy, sane, crooked, straight, cruel, kind, cry, laugh, curse, bless, damage, improve, dark, light, dawn, sunset, day, night, deep, shallow, destroy, create, difficult, easy, dim, bright, divide, unite, doubt, trust, drunk, sober, dull, sharp, dumb, smart, earth, sky, easy, hard, elementary, advanced, and begin, even, odd, evening, morning, evil, good, exceptional, common, expand, shrink, fail, pass, failure, success, false, true, famous, unknown, fancy, plain, fast, slow, fat, thin, fiction, fact, find, lose, finish, start, firm, flabby, fix, break, follow, lead, forgive, blame, forward, backward, fresh, stale, free, restricted, friend, enemy, and inevitable, avoidable, exceptional, common, permanent, temporary, dim, luminous, reckless, careful, explicit, ambiguous, incredible, believable, repel, attract, rapidly, slowly, meticulous, careless, barbarous, civilized, successor, predecessor, urban, rural, conclusive, indecisive, terminate, begin, niggardly, lavishly, advanced, receded, enlightened, ignorant, moderate, extreme, superficial, thorough, scorn, admiration, trivial, serious, loquacious, reserved, confiscate, release, often, rarely, eminent, notorious, embark upon, conclude, defendants, boldness, paucity, plenty, triggered, choked, fastidious, adjustable, grandiose, simple, bleak, bright, insolent, humble, lurid, mild, unscrupulous, conscious, melodious, tuneless, contaminate, purify, frugal, extravagant, falling off, improvement, genial, unkind, shallow, deep, immune, vulnerable, veneration, disrespect, yield to, resist, conquer, disagree, vague, precise, humility, pride, extol, censure, takes off, lands, demolish, build, prevent, induce, frailty, strength, collapse, rise, anxious, carefree, thrifty, wasteful, innovate, copy, enduring, fleeting, progressive, retrogressive, purposely, unintentionally, brave, timid, opaque, transparent, hinder, encourage, zeal, apathy, shimmering, gloomy, plausible, implausible, unbelievable, fair, flare, inability, dormant, active, hazy, clear, fantastic, ordinary, ascertain, asteriskism, luxury, dissolution, establishment, un, unward, confident, harmony, disagreement, guilty, innocent, duplicity, honesty, jocular, morse, uncompromising, flexible, dissertation, conservation, parallel, crooked, blocked, facilitated, turncoat, loyal, embellished, spoil, intentional, accidental, expand, contract, stimulate, discourage, pernicious, safe, audacious, timid, quiet, pandemonium, genuine, fictitious, implicit, explicit, repulsive, attractive, escalate, decrease. Commotion, tranquility, Manisfeld concealed, vindictive, forgiving, inaugurate, terminate, desist, like, commence, conclude. These are the 100 words, and now the most common opposite words: about, exactly, above, below, absence, presence, abundance, lack, accept, refuse, accidental, intentional, active, lazy, add, subtract, admit, deny, adult, child, advanced, elementary, affirmative, negative, afraid, brave, after, before, against, for, alike, different, alive, dead, all, none, allow, forbid, already, not yet, always, never, ancient, modern, ancestor, descendant, agree, refuse, amateur, professional, amuse, bore, ancestor, descendant, angel, devil, animal, human, annoy, satisfy, answer, ask, answer, question, antonym, synonym, apart, together, approximately, exactly, argue, agree, arrest, free, arrival, departure, arrival, depart, artificial, natural, ascent, descent, ask, answer, asleep, awake, attack, defend, attack, defense, attack, attic, cellular, autumn, spring, awakes, asleep, awful, nice, back, in front of, background, foreground, background, backward, forward, bad, good, bad luck, fortune, beauty, ugliness, before, after, begin and, beginning and, behind, in front of, below, above, best, worst, better, worse, beautiful, ugly, big, small, birth, death, bitter, sweet, black, white, blunt, sharp, body, soul, bore, amuse, boring, exciting, borrow, lend, bottom, top, boy, girl, brave, cowardly, break, fix, broad, narrow, brother, sister, build, destroy, busy, lazy, buy, sell, calm, excited, careful, careless, careless, careful, catch, miss, ceiling, floor, ceiling, attic, center, outskirts, certainly, probably, changeable, consent, cheap, expensive, child, adult, children, parent, clean, dirty, clean, cloudy, clever, stupid, close, open, closed, open, cloudy, clear, cold, hot, cold, heat, come, go, comedy, drama, complicated, simple, compliment, insult, compulsory, voluntary, connect, separate, consonant, vowel, consonant, changeable, constant, changeable, construction, destruction, continue, interrupt, cool, warm, correct, wrong, courage, fear, courageous, cowardly, cowardly, brave, create, destroy, cruel, human, cry, whisper, cry, laugh, damage, repair, danger, security, dangerous, safe, dark, light, daughter, son, dawn, dusk, day, night, dead, alive, dead, death, birth, deep, shallow, defeat, victory, defense, attack, defend, attack, delicious, awful, deny, admit, depart, arrive, departure, arrival, descendant, ancestor, descent, ascent, desperate, hopeful, destroy, build, destruction, construction, devil, angel, dictatorship, republic, die, live, different, alike, difficult, easy, dirty, clean, disease, health, distant, near, divide, unite, division, unity, divorce, marry, divorce, marriage, divorce, married, domestic, foreign, dawn, up, downstairs, upstairs, drama, comedy, dry, humid, dull, interesting, dusk, dark, dawn, early, late, east, west, easy, difficult, elementary, advanced, immigrate, immigration, immigration, empty, full, end, begin, end, beginning, ending, beginning, and enemy, friend, enjoy, hate, enter, leave, entrance, exit, equal, different, even, odd, evening, morning, everybody, nobody, everything, nothing, exactly, approximately, excited, calm, exciting, boring, exclude, include, exit, entrance, expensive, cheap, export, import, exposure, shelter, extreme, moderate, fail, succeed, failure, success, false, true, fear, near, fast, slow, fat, slim, fear, courage, female, male, few, many, final, first, find, lose, finish, begin, finish, start, first, final, fix, break, flat, hilly, floor, ceiling, follow, lead, forbid, allow, for, against, foreground, background, foreign, domestic, foreigner, native, forget, remember, form, destroy, fortune, bad luck, forward, backward, free, arrest, freeze, melt, frequently, occasionally, fresh, old, stale, friend, enemy, front, near, in front of, back, full, empty, funny, serious, future, past, general, particular, generous, mean, gentle, violent, gentleman, lady, giant, tiny, girl, boy, give, take, go, come, good, bad, grown up, child, guest, host, guilty, innocent, happiness, sadness. That's all for the day. 10 minutes exercise. This is GS Anand. I'm a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiter. Signing off until we meet again. Thank you. Bye.